crazy when I got pregnant. And when I got pregnant, it was a year after I had cut off the first half of the family. And I spent my pregnancy in Louisiana with my husband's side of the family on ancestral land that have been in his family for over 100 years. And if you know anything about Louisiana, you know that their ancestral roots and spirits don't play. So the first red flag, around the time I was about to give birth, I was in contact with my bio mom. We had made plans, for her to come down and be there for me while I was giving birth, etc., etc. She ended up not even coming at all because it just wouldn't happen. But it just wouldn't happen. So fast forward to 3 months after I give birth, we are in California, San Diego, and my daughter has an eczema breakout. So, we take her to the doctor and they give us the ointment, the medication, blah, blah. I was putting the cream on her cheek right here and just rubbing it. And as I'm rubbing it, all my surroundings turns pitch black. It's just dark. And my hand turns into that lady's hand. And in my mind, I see just an image of her just come and go, just whew. And at the same time, I see like 3 or 4 shadows to my left, like in my peripherals. The energy in the air is a lot along the lines of, don't ever let that woman touch this child. Me dealing with really bad postpartum, that intensified it. Because, as I'm going through postpartum, a lot of what I'm thinking about is, I wish I was with my mom right now. It's my first baby, first pregnancy. But when that happened, I was so terrified that I felt like I had no choice but to trust my gut because I didn't trust anybody else except for my husband. So as I was trusting my gut and going through crazy postpartum, when my daughter's like 8 months, I took her back to Arkansas to meet my family without her dad. And boy, while we're in Arkansas, my boo-boo is in hospice. And, she's still coherent. She was very strong. So while we were there, my daughter was able to meet my boo-boo. And when somebody in your family passes, especially an elder, everybody comes to the forgive and forget. But the thing about when my boo-boo passed is that there was a big fat chunk of people that my heart was willing to forgive. But then there's just that one individual, that one lady, and just her. It's like I felt way more compelled to stay away from her after my boo-boo passed.